This is a fantastic recipe for low-carb cinnamon rolls. They're absolutely delicious. They're keto-friendly, and they're called roll out of bed cinnamon rolls. So first we're gonna start with some mozzarella cheese that's shredded. We're gonna heat that on low in our pot. You could do this in a double boiler as well with some cream cheese. Then we're gonna add in our almond flour, some baking powder, and our ground flax seeds. I've transferred the melted cheeses now into a bowl, and I'm adding in my other ingredients. And time to roll out. Make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And rolling this out nice and even. To make the filling, we are adding in our nuts, our sweetener, and our cinnamon. Now gently melting some butter on the surface to allow for our filling to stick, and sprinkling the topping on our dough. And it's ready to roll. And now cutting to put into our muffin tin. And into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Now to make our frosting. So we're adding some cream cheese, some heavy cream, low-carb powdered sugar, and 1.5 scoops of vanilla protein powder, and blending this all up. Now they're out of the oven, let them cool slightly and ready to frost.